Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize completely this algebraic expression. I see square, so the first thing that comes to Mr. Tan's mind here will be, let's see if we are able to apply this algebraic special product of algebraic expression. 4x squared, I could rewrite it as 2x times 2x, because 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. I still have my minus y squared here. Then from here we could then see which one could be my a, 2x. So later you can just substitute all the a with 2x. And my y will be my b. Yes. So this particular question, I would just need to rewrite this as 2x plus y, 2x minus y. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.